Okay, so I just wanted to show you one last time that with no friction, boop, 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 right, this will fall down, hit this, move this back and forth. So that's the only thing that's happening, right? So with no friction, it will theoretically go nowhere. I put a little tracer on here, so that's not doing anything. That's just leaving a trace of it. And as you can see, not going anywhere. Okay, go back. Now let's add just a teeny tiny. Here we go. Just what we would call a butt hair of friction. And let's see what that does. And drop it. Boom. And speed it up. As you can see, we are drifting. See what I'm saying? So just you need friction, otherwise it does not work. With friction, it makes it slide just a bit, right? So a little bit more friction, right? So just go like normal everyday friction, boom, right? You see just a little bit of movement because it's sliding. It has to. It's not doing anything magical. It's vibrating. Got to go somewhere. So, and as you can see, it's going that way. Understand? Comprending? Is that right? So let's see if we can make it a little bit heavier. Material, piece of gold, right? I mean, the only thing is when it hits this, you have to slide it too. So let's see, boom, boom. Yeah, I don't know if that's better or worse. It still slides. But you can see there's a lot more not happiness to it because that big ass hunk of gold. Make it rubber. Boop. Um, again, just setting into motion. So it's just drifting. It's not gonna. I mean, you're literally not going. This is not a land speeder. So it's just a unique property.